Hey there, food enthusiasts! St. Patrick's Day is just around the corner and I've got the perfect recipe to celebrate a mouth-watering Irish beef stew. Traditionally made with lamb, but today we're switching things up with beef chuck. It's equally comforting and way more affordable. Let's dive right in. First up, gather your ingredients. You'll need 3 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, divided 2 pounds beef chuck stew meat, cubed into 1-inch pieces, kosher salt, freshly ground black pepper, 1 yellow onion, chop 2 medium carrots, peeled and cut into rounds, 2 stalks of celery, chop 3 cloves of garlic, mince 3 medium russet potatoes, peeled and cut into large chunks, 4 cups low-sodium beef broth, 1 bottle of Guinness, 2 teaspoons fresh thyme, freshly chopped parsley for garnish. All right, let's get cooking. Grab a large Dutch oven, heat 2 tablespoons of oil over medium heat. Season your beef with salt and pepper, then add to the pot. Cook until seared on all sides, about 10 minutes. Remember, work in batches if needed. We want that beef to brown nicely to build that delicious fond at the bottom. Once done, transfer the beef to a plate. In the same pot, add your remaining tablespoon of oil. Toss in the chopped onion, carrots and celery. Cook until soft, about 5 minutes. Season with a little more salt and pepper. Add the minced garlic and cook until fragrant, just about a minute. Now, add your beef back into the Dutch oven. Throw in the potatoes, pour in the beef broth and the Guinness. Add the fresh thyme. Scrape the bottom of the pot to release all those browned bits. Bring to a boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer. Season again with salt and pepper. Cover and let it simmer until the beef and potatoes are tender, around 30 minutes. Garnish with freshly chopped parsley before serving. And there you have it, a hearty, comforting Irish beef stew perfect for St. Patrick's Day. A quick tip, make sure to brown your beef in batches. This avoids steaming and ensures a good sear, building that extra flavour. And remember, simmer, don't boil. Low and slow is the way to go for tender meat. If your stew isn't thick enough, just simmer it a bit longer with the lid off or mash a few potatoes into the stew. This stew can be refrigerated for up to 4 days or frozen for a month. Keep in mind, freezing with potatoes might change the texture when reheating. Love this recipe? Smash that like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Happy cooking and enjoy your St. Patrick's Day feast.